Hi, I'm Robert Maxfield, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related, and sometimes we talk some regular photography too, but it's mostly concert photography. And this week we have a little bit of a special thing going on because the week of Christmas I got a phone call from Darlene McAdams saying, "Hey, look, we got Johnny and the G-Men that are going to have a show at Troy Aikman's Troy's Texas Live in Arlington, Texas. Would you like to go shoot the show with me?" And I said, yeah, sure. So we packed up with Darlene, and we went to go out and meet the guys and shoot their show. And if you've never heard of them, they're out on TikTok and they're out on Spotify. That's Johnny and the G-Men. And they do a song called 3 Minutes to Midnight, 3 Minutes After Midnight, and another song called Lazy Sunday Afternoon. It's a little different sound than you might expect, but it's really pretty cool. And we're going to show you some photographs from the set, and we're also going to show you some live video that we took of them performing. So get ready, because here it comes. If you don't know Darlene McAdams, she writes and takes photographs also for Buddy Magazine. Check out her work at Darlene McAdams on Facebook, or you can check her out at Darlene McAdams by punching her in at buddymagazine.com. Neither one of us had actually been to Texas Live, so we had a general idea where it was and had no idea what to expect. So I took, in this case, I took a Nikon D7100 with its kit lens, and she took a a Nikon D750 with a 28 or 2470 on it, and we shot some stills. I'm going to show you some of the stills, and then we're going to just give up with the stills, and we're going to show you some more of this band, because you'll see some of the, as people, as they started playing, people started arriving, and you can see some of the people in the back having a good time, and they're really, really interesting. So check out Johnny the G-Man. Get them on TikTok. Check them out on Spotify. They're out there on Spotify. And enjoy this. We'll see you later. Oh, and if you haven't, there's a big portion of people that view our channel have not subscribed. Man, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. We appreciate what you do. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, confusions, any of that garbage going on, hey, let us know. And we thank you. We'll answer your questions as we can find them. But we'll find them. Anyway, bye.
Drink it over and enjoy it. It's quiet time. Sunday, lazy afternoon. Sunday, lazy afternoon. It's a Sunday, and I'm here with you. It's a Sunday. Lazy afternoon. Y'all keep breath and enjoy the place I'm in. And I can send a running song about my friend. And I know that I might not get it through. It's Sunday, lazy afternoon. you.